This 2018 Keystone Sprinter 334 FWFLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.